Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will scrolling down and you find this window here of Snapchat and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.